So a few months ago, I was stuck with a massive Excel report. We're talking hundreds of rows. There were complicated formulas. Let's just say it was a mess. And I had a deadline staring me down. That's when I thought, can ChatGPT help? So I typed in my problem, and in seconds it gave me the exact formula I needed. That moment changed everything. Now I combine ChatGPT with Excel to clean data, build dashboards, and automate boring work, saving hours each week. It's like having a personal data assistant by your side 24/7. In this video, I'll show you how I use this combo to look like a pro at work, even when I'm figuring things out on the fly. If you work with Excel and haven't started using AI, you are seriously missing out. Let's get right into it. Here's a sample of the report I was working on. It tracks employee performance over time, but it was a mess. The formulas were hard to read. The sheet was cluttered. And to be honest, I was feeling pretty overwhelmed. That's when I turned to ChatGPT. I explained that I needed help with an overly complex Excel formula. And in just a few seconds, it spit out this. It was exactly what I needed. It simplified my formula, making it easier to understand and more efficient. But that's not all. I use this combo for all sorts of tasks, like cleaning data. Here I have a list of names with some blank spaces. Can fill it. With ChatGPT, I first copy the column, then paste it into ChatGPT, asking it to fill in the blanks. And voila, it does it in a flash. This saves so much time instead of doing it manually. Next, let's say I want to create a simple dashboard to visualize this data. I can use ChatGPT to generate a chart based on the data I've input. It suggests the best chart type and even provides the code to insert it. In just a few clicks, I have my dashboard ready to go. And finally, let's talk about automating boring work. Here I have a table with employee information. And let's say I want to update everyone's titles. With ChatGPT, I can do it with just a few clicks. First, I highlight the titles, then copy and paste them into ChatGPT. Then I ask it to update the titles. And voila, it does the job in seconds. And here's the best part. You don't need to be an expert in Excel or programming. ChatGPT makes it easy for anyone to use. Just think about it. You can have a personal data assistant making your work easier, saving you hours each week. And it's available 24/7. So if you work with Excel and haven't started using AI, you are seriously missing out. Give it a try. See how it can make your life easier and make you look like a data hero at your company. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.